Welcome to our channel All in All Education. In this video, we are going to learn about other types of nouns. Before going into our video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our All in All Education channel. Now let's get into our video. Types of nouns. In this video, we will learn about other two types of nouns. They are concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun means it is a physical object in this world. Example, it can be a dog, it can be a bat, it can be a cat, ice cream cone, a board. These concrete nouns is something which we can touch, see, taste and smell and even hear. For example, a wave, hammer, lobster or example for concrete noun. Let us see some more examples for concrete noun. They are dog and cat. Dog and cat are concrete nouns because we can see and touch it. Bat is a concrete noun and ice cream and burger are regarded as the concrete noun because we can see, touch and taste it. Noise is also a concrete noun because we can hear the noise. Exercises for concrete noun. Sentence 1. I felt pain when dentist took my tooth out. In this sentence, dentist and tooth are only concrete nouns because these are the physical object in the sentence which we can see and touch. Sentence 2. After getting from the bed, Hooli went for walking to a park. In this sentence, bed, Hooli and park are the concrete noun because these words only have the physical appearances in this sentence. Sentence 3. My father will pick me on time from school by his car. In this sentence, father, school and car have a physical appearance and can be seen and touched. So, father, school and car are the concrete nouns in this sentence. Sentence 4. She is spotting plants in the garden. In this sentence, plants and garden are the concrete noun because they are physical objects which we can see and touch. Even plants we can smell. Sentence 5. Puppy jumped on the chair and ate my favorite food. In this, puppy is a concrete noun because it is having a physical appearance, and chair and food are also concrete noun. In this, food can be seen, touched, smelled and ate. So it is also a concrete noun. Abstract noun. Abstract noun do not have any physical appearance. These abstract nouns can't be identified with our five senses. We can't see it, we can't smell it, we can't hear, we can't taste and we can't be touched. For example, honesty, kindness and idea are examples for abstract noun. Let us see about abstract noun briefly. Examples for abstract noun. Friendship is an abstract noun because friendship is a feeling. Childhood, laughter, our happiness, our idea and our kindness, that is our feelings. All these are examples for our abstract noun. Let us see some rules about abstract noun. They are: an abstract noun refers to quality, actions, a state of being. Kindness is regarded as the quality, laughter is regarded as the action, and beauty is regarded as the state of being. The other two rules are: abstract noun always end with suffix. For example, cold plus ness, coldness. This coldness is an abstract noun. Child plus hood, childhood, which is an abstract noun. Some abstract noun end with y, ity, ty. Joy, joy ends with y. Beauty ends with ty. Possibility, ity. These are all abstract nouns. Some end with ion, tion, a tion. Collection, it ends with ION. Destruction, it ends with ITION. Admiration, it ends with ATION. All these words given are all abstract noun. Exercises for abstract noun. Sentence 1. He shows kindness to the small baby. In this, kindness is an abstract noun because it tells about the quality of him. So, kindness is an abstract noun in this sentence, which tells us about his quality. Sentence 2. That boy is very intelligent in his studies. So, that boy is a very intelligent boy, which is his quality. So, in this sentence, intelligent, which is a quality of that boy, is regarded as the abstract noun in this sentence. Sentence 3. My friendship with you will always last forever. So, it tells us about my friendship with my friend. So, this is my feelings about him. So, my friendship will last forever means it is my feelings. It do not have any physical appearance. So, friendship is an abstract noun. Sentence 4. He is a very emotional person. In this, emotional tells us about her feeling and it do not have any physical object. So, emotional is an abstract noun in this sentence. Sentence 5. Raju got an idea to start a YouTube channel. In this, idea is an abstract noun because idea is his own thought which do not have any physical appearance. So, idea is an abstract noun in this fifth sentence which tells us about the Raju's thought. Thanks for watching the video. If you like our channel All in All Education, subscribe to our channel, like the video, share the video to your friends, comment the video. I will meet you soon in all the next video. Goodbye.